In this video, we'll show step-by-step tutorial for heading animation. We have prefix and postfix with tag options. Let's check sample layout. Let's jump into WordPress dashboard and enable widget from Essential Classy tab. After enable widget, jump into Elementor editor and search heading animation widget. As in content tab, you can see string area, where you can manage multiple text separated by comma. Using TypeSpeed, you can manage speed of text animation. Using this line-wise options, prefix, postfix and animation texts are in new line. In Style tab, we have heading general, typed text and typed cursor options. Using this styling you can match with your branding. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.